Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this is a sketch that I'm really happy with because I would not have been able to capture this purely because she's kind of got a half smile on her face. She's looking up as well and she's got her head turning, so really happy the fact I was able to capture it. First one took 3 minutes 10 seconds, second one 3 minutes, third one took 2 minutes 20 seconds. However, that jaw is all wrong. But in capturing these and actually being able to analyze them at a later date or straight away, you can actually see where you went wrong. In this case, it's the jaw that's just thrown everything off, and it just makes it look a bit strange, to be honest. But yes, geometric observational skills along with gestural. This is what I've used personally to create these sketches, along with good speed and good speed and creating the feedback loop. Feedback loop allows you to analyse your overall results, keep on track and keep you motivated, keep you accountable as well, because let's be honest, if you don't practice specific things you will not improve, and this is an area where I knew I needed to improve, and I'm evidence that this does actually work. So let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys!